Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan. Family adventures await. Drive the 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan AVP. This four-door minivan has a six-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 69,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 17 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Introducing the 2013 Dodge Grand Caravan American Value Package. Powered by a robust Pentastar 3.6L V6 engine with 283 horsepower, it's the ultimate family-friendly ride. Packed with power features, stunning stone white clear coat exterior, and comfy black/light Graystone cloth interior. Low mileage, excellent fuel efficiency, 17 mpg city, 25 highway. Clean Carfax for peace of mind. Test drive today at 7 Star Auto Sales, Sacramento, CA. Call 916-831-7234. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and window defogger.